Welcome to Gymboree Play Music Myanmar. I'm teacher Thiri, and now I'm gonna show you how to make a very delicious dessert called a chocolate lava cake. Let's see. Okay, the first ingredient we're gonna use, the first and the main ingredient for today is yummy biscuits, and we need some melted batter, and we're going to add some chocolate syrups. And for the decoration, we need a sparkle. And if you want to add the chocolate powder, as you wish. And also, we have the icing powder. Ooh, so yummy and sweet. Okay, and for the things that we need to do is a clear bowl and a sparkler, and we have a brush. And also a rolling pin, and don't forget our cupcake silicone mold, okay, because this is the main ingredient. Let's see what we're gonna do. The first thing, I will remove this one beside, and all we need is a Ziploc bag. And we're going to add some biscuit. You can add like 8 to 10, it's up to you. So 1, let's do counting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Which you're gonna use 8 today. I'm gonna zip it nicely, and all we need to do, we are going to smash it with our rolling pin. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, smash! Now, when I smash it, the biscuits turn into a powder, and it will make a ready-made dough. It's like ready to eat, okay? And all we need is a clear bowl and a strainer, okay? And I'm gonna open my Ziploc, and we're going to pour it and shoot. Because I use the strainer, I only want all the powdery stuff, okay? So I'm gonna strain it. All the powder, woo, going down. Go. Okay, now I got it. And then leave it aside. And now I get my powdery biscuit. And the main ingredient I'm gonna use is the chocolate syrup. I'm gonna turn this cookie powders into a dough. So now I'm gonna pour my chocolate syrup. Ooh, this looks yummy. And shoot! Cupcake mold and the melted batter, and I'm gonna use my brush and place it inside a little bit. I don't want to be sticky inside, so I'm gonna spread all inner part of our silicone mold with melted batter. Yay! Okay, got it. And now this time we're gonna form it into a cupcake with our chocolate dough. Okay, so we are going to use smaller part. I'm gonna resize it again and make it flat. Okay, flat, and place it inside the silicone mold, and we're gonna mold it. Now I'm shaping my chocolate cupcakes, and we're going to make a lava, right? So as a lava, we use our chocolate syrup and pour it inside. Ooh, as much as you want. And then we're gonna cover it with another dough. We need to add. Okay, and we're gonna close it. Okay, flat it and let's close it. And we're going to close the corner as well. Now it's almost done. After you're done with covering it up, ooh, and we're going to put, okay, bye to the extra one, and we're going to pour it inside our plating. And 1, 2, 3, flip it. And we're going to knock, knock, knock. Who's there? It's a chocolate lover cakes, teacher. And we're going to remove the cover. Wow! Now we got a very delicious chocolate lover cake. But it's not look good. So we're going to let's say bye to our silicone mold, and we're going to add a sparkle. Before we add the sparkle, if you want to add some icing sugar, you can add. Okay, it's for decoration. Pour it. Wow. Okay, and if you want to add some choco powder, you can also use the choco powder. Okay, I'm gonna only use a little because I don't want a bitter taste. And the sparkle. We're going to sprinkle 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! And the final touch is we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Okay, look, it's so yummy, right? Okay, this is my chocolate lover cake, and you can also try it at home. It's very easy to make it, and the ingredients are very simple, and your kids will love it. Okay, let's try. Let me taste it. I'm gonna show you the lever. 1, 2, 3. Cut it in the middle. Oh, look, the levers are coming out. Wow, it looks so yummy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.